Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Divine and I do vlogs, so welcome to my vlog for today. I just wanted to open up this vlog. What else am I gonna share with you? I brought my little snack bag. I have my juice right there, which is, this one is the Perfusion Fusion, and it's still by Hecka Organics, and this has apple, beetroot, carrot, celery, cucumber, orange, pineapple, and red grapes. And I'm gonna drink this in a little bit. I also brought some one of my Atkins snacks. This is the one that tastes like Snickers. I brought some boat tart from the Philippines. I ate one on the way because I was hungry, and I bought a couple of this Slim Fast Keto fat bombs. I haven't eaten them for a while, so might as well bring them today. And the bag that I brought today is my I was gonna say never full. It's my Speedy. This is my very first Louis bag, and it's still holding up pretty nice, and I think it's like about 8 years old. Anyways, I'm gonna walk in because everybody's walking in. I think somebody's like, earlier this lady was like looking at me. So okay, I'm gonna check back in a little bit. Bye. There's Roseanne. I can see her right there. Hi Roseanne.
Are you vlogging?
Yes. Say hi.
Hey guys.
So guys, we're at Bath and Body Works right now, and it's on sale for 75% off. I already bought a bunch. Hi guys, so we're on our way to this place called Hangar 24. We just got out of Bath and Body Works, and I got a bunch. To me it was a bunch, like maybe 7 items, and I only paid like 20 bucks, so it's a win-win. And now we're gonna go head out to this Hangar 18. It's kind of like an Anaheim Packing District of Long Beach, so I'm a little excited. Anyways, since I'm driving, I'm gonna go now before I get into any accidents. And the meter is on, so I know it's gonna be traffic. So okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it, afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it, afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it?
Hi guys, so we're already here at that place called Hangar. Roseanne said it's Hangar 18. We got lost, guys. She got me lost.
We're going rock climbing. Just kidding. We're at the right spot now.
Yeah, it took us double the time. But no, this place is pretty neat. There's a lot of like food places, and it looks pretty modern.
Kid friendly.
Yeah, there's so many cute spaces or places, guys. Let me show you guys. So they have like a yoga place. What is that? Is that Tasty? So there's Tasty right there. What's that? 908. It's like a bar?
I'm not sure actually. It says food and drink.
And that's the Hangar right there, the one we're gonna go to. So we're gonna go around. Yeah, I don't mind. Okay,
Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. No, grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say
insert it on the video. I have a smaller, so we got this Jaybird right there sandwich, and these guys are pretty cool. You want to be in the video? Wait, it's not focusing. You guys want to say hi?
We grow stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Yeah, takes a place. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow?